Hello children, welcome back. This is Mousumi Chakraborty and today I would like to discuss on the topic trial balance. Basically, when we speak about trial balance, it is a list of balances of all ledger account and the cash book. You can also say it is a statement and it is not an account. It is neither a part of double entry system nor does it actually appears in the books of account. It is just a working paper. The object of trial balance is to ascertain arithmetical accuracy of ledger account, to help in locating errors, to obtain a summary of the ledger account, and finally help in the preparation of final account. So, let us discuss with the practical questions of trial balance. Moving on to question number 1, prepare trial balance from the following balances of Keshav Chand, Gopal Chand, as at 31st March 2018. A question with lots of accounts are given in front of you. So moving on to the solution of the question. As the format of the trial balance goes, trial balance as at 31st March 2018, name of the account LF, that is from the ledger folio, amount debit and amount credit. Opening stock, debit balance, purchases, debit balance, purchase return, credit balance, sales, credit balance, sales return, debit balance, rent, debit balance, salaries, debit balance, advertisement, debit balance, commission received, credit balance, discount received, credit balance, furniture, debit, machinery, debit, debtor, debit, creditor, credit, bills receivable, debit, bills payable, credit, cash in hand, debit, bank overdraft, credit, capital, credit, drawings, debit, input CGST and input SGST, debit, output CGST and output SGST, credit. The total of both the balances, that is debit, should be equal to credit. So, in order to prove arithmetical accuracy. Moving on to the next question. In the books of R. Davids and Son prepared trial balance as on 31st March 2017. Few balances are given as per the question. So let us move on to the solution of the question. Like trial balance of R. David and Son as at 31st March 2018. Name of the accounts LF, amount debit and amount credit. Opening stock debit 18,20,000. Sales purchases debit 18,20,000. Opening stock 3,50,000 debit. Sales 40 lakh credit. Sundry expense debit 15,000. Leasehold premises 5 lakh debit. Freehold premises 18 lakh debit balance. Return inward, that is sales return 25,000 debit. Furniture and fixtures debit balance 2,90,000. Equipment debit 8 lakh. Repairs is an expense, so debit 5,000. Depreciation 80,000 debit balance. Withdrawal, that is proprietor's withdrawal, is acted as a drawing. It's a debit balance of 60,000. Sundry debtor specifies debit balance 3,60,000. Creditor credit 1,20,000. Bad debt debit 10,000. Investment debit, that is 2 lakh. Interest on investment credit 20,000. Long-term borrowing 6 lakh credit. Loan from UTI 8 lakh credit. Interest on loan debit 65,000. Petty cash account debit 400. And balances at bank 3,46,000. We will get a balancing figure. That means the debit is greater than the credit. So whatever will be the balancing figure, we will put it as capital balancing figure, which comes down to 8,75,000. And the total of the trial balance is 64,15,000. As I told earlier, debit should be equal to credit. Moving on to the third question. Prepare trial balance from the following information. Few entries are given. So moving on to the solution of this question. Trial balance as at 31st March 2018. Name of the account prepaid expenses, it's a debit balance 5,000. Outstanding rent credit 2,000. Bad debt recovered credit 4,000. Interest on investment credit 1,000. Due from Mohan, that is 5,000 credit. Bank overdraft credit 2,000. Discount allowed debit 800. Due from Vinod 1,200. Debit investment 15,000. Debit patent debit 4,000. Machinery debit 6,000. Capital credit 18,000. So the total of the trial balance is 32,000. Debit should be equal to the credit. The next chapters will be continued in my next videos. Watch the related chapters in my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.